Welcome friends. In this video we are talking about privacy principles and changes that impact privacy. Privacy refers to keeping information confidential that is personally identifiable or that might cause harm, embarrassment or disgrace to someone if revealed. There are two classifications of personal data or information. These are the personal identifiable information and sensitive personal information. The personally identifiable information, that is also known as PII, is any information that can identify an individual. It includes information that can be used to distinguish or trace an individual's identity, such as name, social security number or national ID number, date and place of birth, mother's maiden name. The sensitive personal information, that is also known as SPI, is the data consisting of racial or ethnic origin, political opinions, religious or philosophical beliefs or trade union membership, genetic data, biometric data, data concerning health and data concerning a natural person's sex life or sexual orientation. Depending upon the law and regulation, sometimes you may get overlapping examples between PII and SPI. Let us understand changes that impact privacy. First one is technology. New programs, changes in existing programs, additional system linkages, data warehouse, and new products impact privacy. Next are the changes in processes. For example, change management, business process re-engineering, enhanced accessibility rules, new systems, and new operation and vendor impact on privacy. Changes in people, say business partners, service providers, also impact on privacy. Now we will discuss some good practices to ensure privacy. These are the first one is the privacy should be considered from the outset and be built in by design. It should be systematically built into policies, standards and procedures from the beginning. Private data should be collected fairly in an open, transparent manner. Only the data required for the purpose should be collected in the first instance. Private data should be kept securely throughout their life cycle. Private data should only be used and or disclosed for the purpose for which they were collected. Next one is the private data should be accurate, complete and up to date. Private data should be deleted when they are no longer required. Privacy of person, behavior and action, communication, data and image, particularly information, thoughts and feelings, location and space, this refers to territorial, and association should be considered while auditing privacy. The sample assurance consideration that are based on these privacy principles include choice and consent, legitimate purpose, specification and use limitation, personal information and sensitive information life cycle, accuracy and quality, openness, transparency and notice, individual participation, accountability, security and safeguards, monitoring, measuring and reporting, preventing harm, third party or vendor management, breach management, security and privacy by design, free flow of information and legitimate restriction. Hope this video will help to understand privacy principles and impact of changes on privacy. If you have any query, please put it into comments section. Monitor the breath, be safe. Thank you.